Are you related to this? I know you are, especially if you are a parent. You understand this more. Even if you only wash and fold, it is all a big job. So I'm going to share with you today my weekend hobby. I mean hobby. And don't open your eyes on me, honey. Yes, I'm going to iron them all. Hey beauties, welcome back. So today's video I'm going to share with you a bit of my lifestyle, right? Today we are going to do a ironing. We are going to iron today, guys. And yeah, ironing is like a hobby to me, and I know every parent goes through this. Even if it is just washing and folding, it is just a big job. But because it's feel very difficult for me to just sit down and fold my clothes without ironing them. For me, it is more job than ironing them and just packing them straight. And this is something that I do every weekend, guys. Every weekend. Ironing, it is like a hobby to me. I am able to iron for the whole town. I can iron for a whole village, for a whole city without getting tired. Yeah, I was trained for that, guys. I didn't just wake up and yeah, I was trained for that. That's why. Um, as I said, even if it is just washing and folding, it is not easy, but I can't just do that. That's why I prefer to iron and packing them one after the other. If it is a shirt, it is a shirt. If it is a trouser, is a trouser. You know, everything have its own range, and for every child hobby and so on, you know, I pack everything in order, and that's a bit more easier to carry them on and go and pack in your wardrobe, you know. But folding them, I feel like, oh, maybe when wearing something, you still need to iron. So I prefer to iron straightforward and then I am good to go. So I do this every weekend, guys. As you see me doing this is a hobby to me. Yeah, I wanted to share with you how I go through this every weekend, and you just need a good iron. And as I'm using a steam iron, I need only 3 seconds in a cloth, like 3 seconds. You don't need any skill for that, right? You just need to press them with the iron, and when you have a steam iron, it goes very easy. You know, the vapor goes very easy in a cloth, and you like 3 seconds is even more. But yeah, let me give it 3 seconds and you are good to go. Then you finish one cloth and you pass with the other. That's how I do it. So I don't feel tired doing that. So, and I am used to that already. Yeah. And also not all clothes goes with ironing, right? There are some clothes that doesn't need ironing. There are some clothes you don't need to iron. There is a sign that shows. So always check those signs. I think I will do another video where I will be showing you those signs. There are some clothes that doesn't go in a washing machine. There are some clothes that doesn't go in a dryer. There are some clothes that doesn't take ironing. So I will do another video in another day. Yeah, to show you how it goes. Not all cloth goes with ironing. So yeah, as I said, you just need a nice steam iron, and you don't need to spend too much time ironing your clothes. So, and when you are doing that, you feel like it is easier for you because you are used to that already. As I am used to that, it is like a hobby. It is like a passion. Yeah. And yeah, me doing that releases my mind too, and I feel like a burden out of my body, right? So it was a pleasure for me to share this with you. Thank you for always coming across. Thank you for always passing by. Yeah, I love you all, guys. Your presence means a lot to me, and this is what encourages me to share some stuff with you. Thank you for watching, and keep watching until we meet in my next video. Mwah! I know you
tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. And I play dead and I stay dead. Baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more. more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string, you don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings, you don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string, you don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings, you don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel